Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making some Dollar Tree fall DIYs. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. And now let's craft. Starting with my first project, I will be using 3 of these Dollar Tree wood pumpkins. Now I'm going to paint mine different colors. The first one, I'm going to paint it like an ivory color. I didn't have that color, so I did make mine using some white chalk paint, and I added a little bit of this butter color. And this is how it looks. Honestly, it almost looked like the color of the pumpkin. Now to distress this, I will be using a little bit of the white paint, and I added some brown. I added way too much, so I do end up going over it with some ivory. For my second pumpkin, I mixed these 3 colors. With this one, I distress it using the same technique. I use a little bit of brown and whatever was left over on the brush. For my fourth pumpkin, I mix orange and brown to make it darker orange. I painted all 3 stems using this burnt umber, which is this dark brown. And look how beautiful these turned out. Now I'm going to attach these together to make a larger sign. The white one is going to be overlapping the other 2. And to glue these, I'm using hot glue. You can use wood glue if you like. To decorate this, I will be making a bow. Now I didn't have the regular burlap without the lace, so I did remove the lace, made a bow, and I will be adding some leaves to this. Once I am done doing the bow, now I'm going to put these little picks together. This brown and white leaf came from a Dollar Tree pick. The brown, or the darker leaf, I did got it from a garland that I got from Dollar Tree, and I just glued them one on each side. Once I was done doing this, I glued the stems to the pumpkin. I then glued the bow right on top of that. For the hanger, I use one of these pieces of hanging things that I got from a Dollar Tree sign. I added some beads, and that was it. Now I decided to add this welcome metal decor sign that I had. You can leave it like this, or you can even use your Cricut and add something else, but I decided to just use this metal sign. that is it for this beautiful pumpkin large sign. For my next project, I will be using 3 of these Dollar Tree wood planks. I will be making a pumpkin out of these. So one of the planks is going to be overlapping the other 2. So I'm using this piece of popsicle stick to mark where I want the glue to be at. This is also going to help it be nice and straight. For this project, I'm only using hot glue. You can use wood glue if you like. To paint my pumpkin, I will be using this orange harvest, and I added a little bit of brown to make this darker. Using a darker brown, which is this burnt umber, I am going to distress all the edges. For the stem, I used this leftover popsicle stick that I had. I will be painting it brown and gluing this to the back. The next thing I will be doing is adding Hello Pumpkin. Now I'm using this Dollar Tree stencil. To finish this off, I will be adding some of these leaves that I got from a Dollar Tree fall pick and a bow. And that is it. Look how beautiful this Hello Pumpkin turned out. For my next project, I will be using one of these Dollar Tree signs. I'm going to remove this hanger, but I'm going to add it back on later on. Now, I'm using this pumpkin that I recently found at the Dollar Tree. They have 2 different ones, this longer one and this wider one. I decided to use this longer one instead. Now, I started off by painting the pumpkin, but I added way too much brown. And I didn't like how that looked, so I did grab another pumpkin and repainted it. This time I made it more orange. Using the same brown I mixed with a little bit of orange, I distressed the edges and made some details to the pumpkin. I also painted the stem with this brown. I'm going to set this to the side and let it dry. Meanwhile, I will be using this Dollar Tree vinyl, which I had some of these poster letters. I will be tracing these to the vinyl. Now, these letters are paper letters. They don't have adhesive, that's why I am using the vinyl instead. Once I am done tracing these, I will be cutting them. And this is how they look. I will be adding them to my sign like stickers. As you can see, I didn't add an A because that is what the pumpkin is for. To decorate this a little more, I added this beautiful buffalo check bow to the pumpkin. Now the last thing I will be doing is adding the hanger back on, but I added some beads that I already had. Dollar Tree carries beads that you can use. But that is it. Look how beautiful this fall sign turned out. And that is it for today. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.